and Arya, just stop it. This is where the festival is happening. The first place that we're going to is Heritage Village. This is like a proper festival exhibition. Looks very good. Some magic oil. Try करना? पूछो ना, कोई है नहीं क्या? Nobody's here.
They are very good. We also apply every day.
Okay.
Shampoo, balsam, this lotion for
Body.
yes, mist.
These are all organic.
Yes, they are made of natural and chemical-free products.
This bag for mist, no? Body mist.
Apply and scrub on the body so it leaves a natural fragrance.
Face wash.
Yes.
Face wash. Okay.
Have a seat and select.
Thank you. दिखा? सारे दिखाने इसमें। दो ही है अच्छा। कौन सा है ये? सिंपलर है ना? ये अंदर पाम में करवा ले ताकि दिखे ना इतना। पाम लगाना। ठीक है। तू वो कर। അമ്മയ്ക്ക് ചെയ്യണോ?
വേണ്ട വീണ
Okay, it is around 9:20 right now, and we are all exhausted and tired. We had such a good day, so let me just quickly give you a recap about what all happened. We decided to go to Galleria Mall, which is one of the biggest malls in Abu Dhabi, but we didn't find like a lot of things. We just got some tits and bits, and there weren't like a lot of things in the mall as well. So after spending some time over there, we went to the festival, which happens once in a year. So it's there for the next 3 days as well. So it starts at 4 p.m. It was a beautiful festival. It's very massive, very big. It has like a lot of it's like an exhibition basically, but it's like on a larger scale. So you have clothes, you have perfumes, you have a fun fair, you have wildlife. You get to experience wildlife, you get to see wild animals, and there are a lot of different experiences over there. Because all of us were super tired because it's such a massive festival, so you have to walk a lot, and then there are multiple activities happening here and there, and you just lose all of your time in walking, that you eventually get tired. A very good experience. And yeah, this is the henna that I got done from the festival. It is very, very dark, and when we asked about the henna, so she mentioned that this is something that she prepares on her own, so it doesn't have any chemicals. So yeah, I think the color is quite decent, and I like the pattern. It's very simple. I just wanted to give it a shot, so I made it like inside the palm so that it's not that visible. And tomorrow we are going to Dubai. But before going to Dubai, we are going to the Grand Mosque, as mentioned, and we are also going to the temple. So both of it is on the way. So like in the morning, we'll leave, and then we'll go to both the places, and then we'll directly go to Dubai. And yeah, day one went really well. So I'm really excited for day two. Good morning, guys. It is day two, and Arya, just stop it. Good morning, guys. It is day two, and today we are going to the Grand Mosque and the temple as mentioned, and then we'll directly be leaving for Dubai. And also talk about this hotel. So the hotel that we're staying at, Al Ain Palace, which is one of the most oldest hotels in Abu Dhabi. It's a pretty decent hotel. The bed is quite small because we're three of us, and adjusting in this bed becomes a bit difficult. But apart from that, the hotel is really good. Room service, the food, the quality, everything is really good. I would highly recommend it to you. Today we're heading to Dubai, and the real fun starts from here. So right now we're going for breakfast, and then we'll be directly leaving.
नेशनल डे पे अभी न्यू ईयर पे अभी साल पिछले साल इनका 45 मिनट का फायर वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड
back now. Inside there was the place for worship, and you could see like the mosque in a much more closer way. But we saw it from the outside, and now we're leaving because there was like a lot of queue over there, and it would take like around half an hour to an hour, and we only had like free pass for 15 minutes. So it's gonna take like a lot of time. It's like a must visit. But since it's the holiday season, like there's a lot of rush. You can also rent outfits just in case if you do not have like clothes appropriate for the mosque. And this is the scarf that we got from Mumuso. They tie it around for you as well. And yeah, it's a must visit place, and I would highly recommend it to you guys as well. Also, when you come to such places, you have to be ready to walk a lot, because yes, there are like a lot of escalators which will help you, but yeah, there's a lot of walk and you have to be okay as well. How was the experience?
Yeah, it was wonderful.
Did you like the place?
Yes, yes.
Would you recommend it to new people to visit this place?
10 times.
Okay. So we've reached Dubai, and this is my outfit right now. I'll quickly show it to you. So this is my outfit. I'm wearing black cargo pants, my beige shoes, and this purple sweater. And now we are heading out to grab something to eat and also to explore the city a little bit. Hi guys, so that was it for this week's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. So in this I tried covering the Grand Mosque, the Babs Temple, as well as the festival which happened in Abu Dhabi. Now the whole experience was really good, especially the Grand Mosque, because it is one of their main highlights in Abu Dhabi. The Grand Mosque is absolutely beautiful, and the infrastructure, the way everything has been made, everything about it is so good. And plus it is an inbuilt shopping mall, so you can also find like other stuff to shop as well, and there are a lot of things. The way they've made it is beautiful. So yeah, overall the Grand Mosque was amazing. Talking about the Babs Temple as well, it is one of the first temples that has been made, and especially for Hindus, and it is absolutely beautiful. Again, the whole infrastructure, the settings, everything has been made with such a beautiful vision. All of the idols have been decorated, especially inside the temple. It was absolutely beautiful. Obviously we aren't supposed to vlog inside the temple, so I couldn't show you any of the idols, but it's absolutely beautiful to see, and you just don't feel like you're away from India. Your Indian roots are absolutely visible over there, so I highly recommend visiting the temple as well. Overall the festival was also really good, so I would highly recommend, if you're going to Abu Dhabi, do visit the Grand Mosque, do try attending the festival and the Hindu temple as well, because these are some things that are so beautiful about Abu Dhabi that it is a must visit. Yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will be coming up with a very new vlog very soon. Till then, bye bye.